Come on, pick that up.
Matt, what did you do to it? What did you do to it?
Inner region violence.
Yeah.
No, Parrot mains random.
He doesn't really have a main.
Parrot mains random.
Jesus mains Pikachu and Rosalina.
I think Parrot's good enough to beat Jesus.
I agree. I think it's a pretty, from what I know about both players, it definitely pretty close, I'd say.
Parrot's not a great player, like,
Oh yeah, honestly.
but you know. Oh! Never mind. Parrot's a great player. But you know, Parrot's got the big.
Parrot's carried by Roy.
Parrot's got some real cheese.
Oh yeah, we call that the holy combo back in Idaho.
He has no jump. He's dead. He has no jump.
Let's go, Jesus!
Yeah!
Parrot, come on. Let's go, Tucker. Oh my God, what is he doing?
Oh, big punish.
What is he doing?
He's throwing it away.
Well, you got punished. So.
Like, Jesus was playing like hot garbage that first stock, and now he's turning it up.
Yeah, he just needed to warm up, you know?
Yeah. Ooh. It's tech chase there. He has him on the ledge.
Yeah, no, like... I was just gonna say Parrot sometimes just does like stupid stuff and it works. That time, it didn't work.
It did not work.
Jeff, I need to update the score.
Yeah, come on, bro.
I think we're gonna get a character switch.
Oh, sweaty,
Oh my God.
sweaty Roy coming out.
What a cringer, dude.
Dude, the sweaty Roy's coming out.
Anime Roy. Wait, Roy's already anime.
Supreme anime Roy.
Roy with the bigger sword.
I will assume you want that one.
Jesus could like edge guard him. You know.
Oh yeah.
I don't think the Parrot's even played.
Oh, you seeing this?
What? That was so good, and then so bad.
It just. Here he goes. Combo starting right now. This is looking way different from the first game.
I'm pretty sure Parrot's like the worst cloud in Eastern Oregon.
Yeah, honestly.
Honestly.
He's really shitting on his own state right now.
No. I'm just stating a fact.
Like,
But I still believe in him. The worst cloud in our region can beat Jesus.
no.
Yeah. Yes.
I highly doubt that.
No.
He doesn't even play Cloud most of the time.
You haven't seen my boy Parrot in action. He's got them.
What action?
This action right here. Watch this crap.
Oh yeah!
Oh, look at that punish.
No. Yeah, look at it. Okay, that was actually a pretty cool option to cover the neutral tech. Oh yeah.
Oh, he read that. He read that. He was just, a little too late.
Yeah, he's playing Cloud. It's not really his fault. Ooh. Oh, okay, that was sick. You see it?
The sour spot though. Has to use limit.
Oh.
He made it back. He has good recovery.
Oh my Jesus, man.
Jesus Christ.
Yes.
What are these thunders, man?
Good.
Oh, how are they good? They haven't landed.
Yeah, they're scaring
Look
him.
at that. Like, what was
He's
that?
scaring him into the easy fare. Bro, do you even play Pikachu?
I don't.
Oh! Yeah, what's up, mama?
Goodness. Epic BI.
Oh, epic kill move.
How does Pikachu hit Cloud? He has a giant sword.
What's the other Twitch page? Is it 1UP?
EOU 1-up. Club, I think?
Yeah, it's like Club EOU.
EOU, right there. Why is the stream running on that?
Looks terrible.
Oh, let's go, Parrot! Hell yeah!
I'm still sleeping. Show me more.
I see.
Prove yourself.
He's gonna do it. He's gonna.
Oh.
Look at these evasive maneuvers from both players, man. This is a very acrobatic fighting game.
Yes.
You don't see this crap anywhere else. Look at that. Look at that.
The entire.
Oh, he got the read, just didn't do the good.
Just not doing the goods.
Oh, epic face. He's just gonna die to finishing touch.
Oh, yeah, nice try, kiddo.
I knew what Parrot was gonna do. He just sucked it up.
Okay, can we get
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yes!
Parrot is getting all these good reads, and he's just missing them like pixels.
It's because of his character.
His sword's not big enough.
That
Please,
kid's-
we need a bigger sword for Cloud, you know?
Yeah.
Honestly.
Oh,
Oh,
a little scary there for Pikachu to put
got
himself in
limit
the
charge.
It doesn't.
He's gonna get a big read with this cross cycle.
Oh!
What did I just say? I called that. I called that.
Yeah, whatever.
called
I
that.
drink to forget.
Top tier commentator right here.
So, now that the two regions are 1-1, what are you doing?
Pikachu. Yikes.
Pikachu did us on Lilat?
I think Parrot's gonna lose.
I'll make sure you guys. I'll make sure you guys get through.
So,
I do not have faith in Parrot.
I don't exactly understand the counterpick your opponent's main game 3 after barely winning game 2 because of a like cross slash. But you know,
This is the Parrot special. Because Parrot plays every character, he will always ditto you.
if Parrot made sense, he wouldn't be Parrot. Let's just.
Yeah.
Oh, he's wearing the cute little wizard hat though.
Yeah.
Next one, I'll give him a little smooch.
Yeah. I think Parrot's got
Yo,
the...
if Parrot wins this, I'll give him a little smooch.
Yeah, me too.
No, that's me.
I kind of want to give.
You're giving me a big kiss.
Dude, if you win the tournament, I'll make out with you.
Yo, thanks.
And
No, you won't. You both will.
no, I will. I don't know about Rui, but
wanna
I
bet?
will. Yeah, you want to bet,
wanna
bro?
bet?
Are we gonna have like a 3-way makeout session?
Hey,
It's not gay. It's
let's
like.
keep it PG.
Hey, come on,
Let's keep it
No, I can't do that.
come on, man. Yeah, the game actually
Wow, look at
even
that.
out a lot.
Even. This is even.
Oh, Parrot takes.
Parrot's in the lead.
Oh, what
Let's go,
happened?
Parrot.
What happened, bro?
Let's go, Parrot. Oh, look at this big combo.
This is not epic at all.
I think this is very epic. I think this is Ben Shapiro certified epic.
All right, now this. Oh, now this is epic.
Okay. I saw that one coming.
Yeah, from a mile away. Oh,
No kidding. Check out this.
ledge
coverage.
Oh, big punish.
Big combo. Hell yeah.
Oh,
Where are
man.
these cancels? This is Lilat. Where's the
Pikachu's so
cancel?
weird.
I know.
Tiny character.
Ooh, big up smash. Big
Oh.
forward aerial. Big forward smash attack.
Oh, he's hungry like the wolf!
Both of these players aren't even trying to hit each other, they're trying to read each other.
Yeah.
Like, what on earth is going on?
Oh, yeah, give him that fat turkey leg.
Well, we know that Tucker
Give
only
him
knows
one
how to
more
press
early
up,
Thanksgiving.
so...
Oh yeah,
the big
Pikachu
spot
privilege.
dodge. Oh, up smash.
No,
Parrot, let's go.
Oh,
Oh, what?
Parrot's gonna
Escape
kill himself.
option.
Oh goodness, rolling. Ah.
Oh, no.
Oh, pivot grab.
Oh, that was bad hit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God.
What was that? That
Come
was
on,
some epic
Jesus,
move.
save me from smooching this guy.
Oh god! Let's go, Tucker!
Oh, this is so... This is so nerve-wracking.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
Throw out the save kill move.
Oh,
Oh, no.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
You got a jab.
Oh yeah, you.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, God. Oh, the humanity.
Oh,
let's go,
heck.
Parrot.
Okay. All right, can we get Hades versus Potato on stream, please?
Take that, Boise.
It was one game.
Me and him played a bunch of Picadillos. Me and the Picadillos and Cruz. Kiss him. Now.
No.
Let's go, Tucker. Hey, Hey, you
I won last time. Yeah, he did one last
said it. You have to kiss him
What
now.
the heck, Jesus?
I don't know, dude.
Why'd you lose?
That match is so dumb.
I had an up smash when he scored.
So wait, you won?
Dash attack
Yeah, I
all the
won.
way. I was like,
You won?
I secretly paid Jesus off.